KCI makes shredder cum pulverizer. Any organic matter is considered to be a waste is not at all a waste. Yes, we can convert any type of farm waste, garden waste etc., dry and wet, into highly nutrient organic manure by shredding them into small pieces and getting them decomposed. We are happy to introduce ourselves as the manufacturers of shredders, which is used for shredding any type of organic waste into small pieces for manufacturing organic manure. The following are the salient features of our machine: can shred hard and soft farm waste such as coconut husk, branches of trees, coconut frond and harvested banana trees. The organic matter shredded will be in small pieces to enable the farmer to make use of the same for manufacturing direct manure, organic manure and vermicompost. Our shredder can be operated with the tractor PTO operated. The power from the tractor minus 36 horsepower and above is transmitted to the shredder assembly. KOVAI Classic Industries is an established and well-known unit specialized in manufacturing and marketing of agricultural machineries and implements registered under SSI, Small Scale Industry, and NSIC, the National Small Industries Corporation Limited, with an experience of more than 25 years. For more details, please visit www.kovaiclassicindustries.net, www.kovaiclassicindustries.com.